Come for. So what are the parts in a telescope? You want to explain? He traced out the moon south pole and some pictures also exhibited in the notice board. Later you can see. I called Switin to explain the telescope and how he was inspired. He want to share his experience.
Front.
Greetings to all. First of all, I would like to wish you a happy National Science Day. I'm G. Switin of A Standard A section here before you all to show my telescope and how it works. Before that, I would like to tell you how I bought this telescope. I have been interested in astronomy, that is study of night sky or observation of night sky, since I was 8 years old. I was already interested in planets and rockets before that. So when my dad bought me binoculars, I became interested in stargazing. So I upgraded my equipment and bought this telescope in late 2024. This is a reflector telescope which has two mirrors, primary mirror, which is just the back, and the secondary mirror,
Front side.
which is behind this crosshair. So how the telescope works is when light enters it, it hits the primary mirror, then it reflects off onto the secondary mirror, which reflects it into the eyepiece. This is a eyepiece. This has a lens in it which magnifies the image, which makes it look zoomed. So I'm going to just briefly explain some parts of the telescope. This is the optical tube, which is the main part of the telescope, which has the mirrors. This is the mount. This mount is an equatorial mount which allows us to track the objects as they move across the night sky. This is the counterweights which help us to balance the telescope. And this is the tripod which holds the optical tube and the mount. And this is the finder scope which helps us to find objects. And these are the eyepieces which help us to look through the telescope. And I'm just going to briefly explain the uses of the telescope. A telescope has been used since the 16th century for observation and discovery of our night sky. So like planets, stars and deep sky objects. Deep sky objects are the objects which are outside our solar system, that is galaxies, star clusters and nebulae. That's all I like to say. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.